Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea or your double shot, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. If you subscribe and you like what you see and you want to see some more, tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I just received my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of January. I do get these gifted by Ipsy every single month, so thank you to Ipsy for gifting. I do also still get my paid for box. So what I like to do is dive in here, see what we have, give you guys a spoiler, and maybe let you guys know what you may get in your bag. But it's a spoiler for me too, because I could get these items in my bag as well. If you do not like spoilers, this is not the video for you. I'll see you on the next one. We're gonna dive in. I have a little bit of a brow and a little bit of base makeup, hence looking like a ghost. So I'm hoping we have some stuff in here we can actually test out. I normally make this one very short, very sweet, and I just do an unboxing and do it as a spoiler. Then when I get my bag at the end of the month, I put everything I kept from this box and everything I keep from my bag, and I try it all on. But today I thought I would switch it up. I want to go in. The bags are so cute. Oh my gosh. I want to go in today and just play with a little bit of makeup. We'll do the unboxing part, and then if you don't want to stick around after that, honey, I don't blame you. Thank you for being here. So everything's kind of haphazardly thrown in when it is a PR box. So I just kind of guess what's supposed to be in what if it's not where it's supposed to be. Y'all, I'm trying not to peek too much because I don't like to get spoilers, but holy freaking crap, that is the cutest bag ever. I never keep the bags. I always use them and give them away when I do like random act of kindness or my secret giveaways. I'm keeping this. I don't know why I need it, but I need it, so I'm gonna keep it. Cute as hell. Cute, cute, cute. All right, in our OG bag, which is $13 a month for the makeup bag, and 5 travel try-me size items. Occasionally, y'all, they throw in a full-size product. I feel like it's a really good bang for your buck, especially if you're somebody that either you're like me and you travel regularly, so I like to have the minis, and I also like to test new makeup. Or maybe you're a newbie and you just want to test out a lot of products without spending a whole lot of money. You can buy Ipsy, get the Ipsy Glam Bag, test new products, and if you love them, then spend the money on them. Diving in. First up is an Oriza Nebula Shimmer Palette. This seems like one we've gotten in the past, and I will say it is a little bit frustrating to get all the same products pretty consistently. So I wish with Boxy and Ipsy kind of merging and becoming one and the same, first of all, call yourself BOXYCHARM and just give us 4 boxes across the board. We don't need Ipsy with 18 different Ipsys and BOXYCHARM with 18 different BOXYCHARMs. Just call it BOXYCHARM, okay? I'm not even gonna open this. I don't typically keep these, and I just did my declutter, so I do not need anything extra in my house. So it is sealed. That is what it looks like. I will of course put that in my PIF pile. And if I'm ever wrong on stuff, you guys, I just kind of pull whatever is in here. Like I said, I don't get any spoilers because I also like to be surprised. So I'm gonna assume that everything left in here is supposed to be in the plus, but forgive me if it's not. This is just an idea of what we all might get in our bags. Next up is something we get every month, 15 of them every month from different subscription boxes. It is the Reina Rebelde Rebel Eye Definer Pencil, and it is, I'm gonna assume, in black. I am not even gonna open this. I have a ton of eyeliners from subscription boxes. I don't need it. It's going in the pay it forward pile. Next up, Do With The Gods. We've been getting a lot of stuff from them, and most of what I've tried, I really, really enjoy. This is the Feels Mini Squalane and Oat Milk Dry Erase Facial Scrub. That sounds good. I don't know what the hell it is. Let's see. Diamonds are cold. Gold is overrated. Silk is just a fabric. Don't pretend. Feel what's real. So it is a microdermabrasion. I'm keeping that. That sounds amazing. I'm gonna put it in my overnight bag. Next, ooh, we have a NARS Mini Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Dolce Vita. That is what it looks like. Do I need another lip liner? No. But am I gonna keep it if it's cute? Yes, I am. All right, it's more of like a toasty, kind of neutrally shade. I don't think I'm gonna keep it because it's looking like more of a crayon. Those are not my favorite for a lip pencil, but very, very cute. And for those of you that are makeup heavy lovers, We're already 4 for 4 with the makeup products. And number 5 is also makeup. This is a Shayna B. Miami lip gloss in the shade Besitos, or Little Kisses. That is what the packaging looks like. We've gotten quite a few Shayna B products as well. Let me get my tweezer to open this because I don't want to mess up the packaging if I know I'm not going to use it. So I'm sorry, y'all. This angle, y'all, is great. It's a great angle, y'all. All right. Anytime I cannot open something like this, I get a tweezer and stick it in there. And then it opens up easily so I don't jack it up just in case it gets given away to somebody. Oh, this is very, very pretty. But I do not typically like glosses with like shimmer particles in them. But it does look like they're very finely milled, so that is a plus. This is a banger, especially if you love, 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 love makeup. This should have been what December was, because December was... It wasn't all that great, y'all. It was not all that great. But we have an eyeshadow, the lip liner, the eyeliner. You're building a whole face almost. The lip gloss, and then I'm only keeping this, the microdermabrasion. What do you think about the standard OG bag? Let me put these to the side. I think 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. Love. All right. Next, I'm going to go over our little card. The theme for January 2023, I love the aesthetic. Love. Is the year of you. I love that. You guys know I'm all about uplifting others, uplifting ourselves, self-talk, motivation, empowerment, affirmation. We need it. We need it, especially after 2020. Forget reinvention. Throw resolutions out the door. Never mind starting over. This year, just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy. Perfecting your skincare routine, experimenting with nail art, or finding time to read, or reconnecting with your friends. And then it says it's time to make yourself a priority. I love that. I love that so much. And it is looking like we got some good stuff, but I'm mostly seeing skincare. So I don't know how y'all are gonna feel about this box. First up is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. I cannot speak today. I'm very sorry, y'all. Okay. Naturally formulated recovery treatment mask. Apply a generous layer over the skin. Apply a generous layer over the face and neck. Leave on for 15 minutes and then wipe off the excess. This I may keep because you can actually kind of keep it on and you're just wiping off the excess. I'm lazy as hell. When it comes to my skincare, I want to do 1, 2, 3, throw it on, slap it on, go to bed. So I might try this. Let me know if you've tested this out. But that is a full size. And in our Glam Bag Plus, it is all it's all full size items, which I love. Next up is a recent discovery for me. I just got one though last month, so I'll probably put this in my PIF. I love it. It is the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara Length, Lift, and Volume. I love this. I know people are on the fence about it. Some people love it and some people hate it. The only thing I do not like about it, and I'm almost done with mine that I have, the only thing that I do not like about it, like aesthetically, I love it. I love the component. I love everything about it. I love the wand. I love that it's a drier formula. I like that it's a soft, fluffy wand. It dries out very quickly. Like I've only probably had this one maybe 2 months-ish, and it's already drying out on me. So I get it and I understand it. So I don't know if I'm gonna hold on to this one. Y'all know if I don't, I'm gonna put it in my PIF, but I love it. I think it's a fantastic formula. Next is Fleur and Bee Nectar of the Sea. I like that. Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I've never heard of this brand. They are cruelty-free, sustainably made, and 100% vegan. And they also donate to charity. That's amazing. Fleur and Bee, I don't know who you are, honey, but I'm gonna go follow you on social media. I'm definitely gonna keep this. That sounds incredible. Next is another skincare product. Ooh, this is the Tarte. I just freaking commented on this on Tarte's freaking post, y'all. Just today. It is the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I've wanted to try this. This sounds phenomenal. See, and I don't have any makeup to try on my face because I'm giving it all away. I guess I could have come on with a full face. Sorry, guys. I'm keeping this too. I'm being selfish this month. I'm so sorry. And then the last thing in our plus is a... Should have worn my glasses. Half caked the 316 or 816 crease brush. It looks really beautiful. Ooh, very soft, but also dense. My cup of tea, y'all. And it doesn't have a super short handle because I cannot stand those. And then our bag. I feel like this is very much springy, though. I would have liked to have seen this maybe in like March or April, but how beautiful is this color combination? But our bags will typically correspond or coordinate, not necessarily be like matchy-matchy. I love the Plus, but I love skincare, and I have a preference for skincare. Of course, I love makeup. I love playing in makeup, but I really love skincare, especially in the winter months. The hydrating products that we got, yes, please. I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm gonna keep the milk, but if I decide not to, whoever wins this, I'll send it with it. I am going to go ahead and do a quick little secret giveaway, a little PIF for you guys. It'll be for those 4 products, and I'll throw in the bag as well. So you'll get the little bag, the liner, the little palette, the lip crayon, liner, crayon is a crayon, and the lip gloss. If I decide not to keep the milk makeup, I'll also throw that in there. But if you want to win, all you got to do is comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, be 18, be in the US, please. All rules are always in the description box. Thank you to Ipsy. Thank you to you guys. Sorry I have nothing to try on. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Happy New Year.